Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy boy here. I just wanted to do a video about the screen printing frame that I just made from pallet wood. Just a new idea, and that is the layer, kind of two pieces of pallet wood. So yeah, it's like two pieces, one on top of each other. I've cut these pallet wood in half lengthways, so they're not like, otherwise they'll be like that wide. What you want to do is you just get a piece of wood, cut it lengthways down there on like a tables or whatever you want to call it. And then what I've done is this is the short side. I've put this piece on the inside, and then for the next layer I'll put that like right across. So you can see this wood on this side, this piece here goes right from one side to the other, and then for the length side, that side is underneath, that side, for this side it's in between, it's a small side, so if that makes sense, kind of makes it into you know, makes it into, it kind of creates like a joint, and should hold together better, like no twisting or anything. You want to make sure it's cut nice and straight, so it's not like crooked or anything. Also went over it and gave it a sand, but yeah, so pretty much it's just, you know, one screw here, one there, one there, and one there, and then I've glued it at the same time, so just to give it a bit more strength. Some PVA wood glue or something like that. Haven't put mesh on yet, but I did put it on the other one. I just made that one before. Let's see if you guys can see. And that stretched really well for some reason. So yeah, that's the other one that I made. Just using Swiss Pallet for the mesh. Seems to stretch very nice. It seems to stretch better, but yeah, pretty happy with that. So just got to add some mesh to this. One might be a bit bigger. Yeah, so as I said before, it's just one piece, kind of creates a joint, one piece. So this piece here, you do it the smaller size and put it in between, and then for the next layer you do it the longer side, you make it longer. It's kind of funny to explain, but it's pretty easy to see what I mean, you know. So I might give that a bit of a sand, and then stretch some mesh over it someday soon. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more vids, and I will see you guys later.